Teddy? Where are you? Tedder? Teddy! Come on. I see you. Come on up. Teddy? Okay. Teddy, are you hungry? You are, sweetie? Okay. Okay. Nice yawn. All right. Okay. Where is it, Tedder? You look so cute tonight. Hey guys, I got a new cube. See it? And already Bindi and Dexter have gone in it. And it's great. I will send a link to the description of the video so you guys can order it if you are interested. But I really love these cubes. And then what I did was I put one of their heated beds on top. So it pretty much duplicates the existing one that I had, which is over here. And what was happening was I only had one heated bed and one cube, and they were kind of getting territorial over it. So what's better than having one, but two when you have 4 Oriental short hairs? So I went ahead and duplicated the setup. So now everyone has a spot. Everyone can be happy. It's not overly crowded. And as you can see, Stache already went into the new heated yurt, and the cube is now unoccupied, but I'm sure Bindi will go down there. And again, this is great material that they can scratch and mark up with their claws, and everything is great. So the more places that you can have for your cats to obviously exercise and spread their paw pads and sharpen their nails, which doesn't obviously constitute furniture, the better. So we're all happy here. Right, Stache? And Bindi is probably looking to get in there with Stache, but right now Bindi's checking out the new cube. And there's Dexter, and he'll probably try to go in there as well, but it's all good. Everyone has a spot. And Teddy is over there just kind of checking things out. I see, oh, Bindi. Stache was trying to give you a peaceful gesture. And Bindi's like, oh, I don't think so. And I'm sure Dexter will try to go in there as well. You like the new spot, Stache? Yeah. It suits you just fine. Yeah. Teddy's out for the count. Let's see if we can find Dexter. See, Dexter's already gone in the other heated yurt. There he is, crazy eyes. Hey, Dexter. There goes Bindi. Going crazy. Yeah, Bindi. Bindi. Good boy. Good Bindi. Bindi, what are you doing? Hey, Teddy, what do you think of the new beds, huh? Stache, do you think you can wait a little bit? Okay. How about if I give you a treat? Would you like a treat instead? All right, hold on. I'm gonna give you a treat instead because you can't go in the dryer yet. I'm not done with my washes.